Hello students, today topic is chemical properties of alcohols. In that subtopic is acidity of alcohols and phenols. Chemical reactions. See, are versatile compounds. They are react both as nucleophiles as well electrophiles. Nucleophile means electron rich substances. Of course, those are having 2 lone pairs. It is donating electron pair also. So in this case, this is acting as nucleophile. In some cases, it act as electrophile also. Electrophile means electron receiving substance. See here, this is the alcohol in the second case. This bromine is donating electron, this alcohol is taking electron, so this alcohol is here acting as electrophile. This is the nucleophile. So in the first case, alcohol is nucleophile, the other carbocation is electrophile. See, whenever this alcohol acting as nucleophile, the OH bond is breaking. The OH bond is breaking. See, OH bond. Whenever this alcohol acting as nucleophile, this carbon and oxygen bond is breaking. Carbon and oxygen bond is breaking. Why it is? Once you check it, this mechanism. See, it is donated electron pair to this carbocation. Then oxygen getting positive charge. Oxygen generally it should be 2 bonds, but here 3 bonds, so that's why oxygen getting positive charge. So this hydrogen and oxygen sigma bond shifted towards oxygen. So this hydrogen is releasing as H plus. Without electrons, it is releasing as H plus. So you can see here H plus. Now, in the second case, first we should protonate, means it is possible in acidic medium only. So first protonation takes place. Without protonation, it cannot act as electrophile. See, first protonation means H plus attacking. So here after protonation, OH2, this oxygen getting plus. Now this more stable water molecule formation is possible. That's why always in the elimination the more stable species are forming. The more stable species, generally it may be water molecule NH3, HCl, like that. Here even in the first case H plus also more stable, that's why it is forming. But here in the second case H2O is more stable, that's why H2O is forming. In the first case, there is no chance to form water molecule. Next, see here the water molecule is left, so the carbon is getting positive charge, this carbon receiving electron from the bromine, so it is acting as a electrophile. So finally equation is this one, RX formation. Actually these reactions we discussed in the alkyl halides chapter. So the final conclusion is, see here ROH structure is like this. Here 2 bond breakage takes place, chances are there. Based on the external conditions, the bond breakage will decide. If you are reacting with base, then H plus will remove. If you react with a stronger nucleophile, then obviously OH will replace. If you react with base, then obviously H plus will remove. If you react with a nucleophile, obviously OH will be removing. So carbon oxygen bond will be break up. What is the base, what is nucleophile, we can discuss in the next classes. Reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. That means the bond breakage takes place in between oxygen and hydrogen. See here like this. This hydrogen is releasing as H plus. That means alcohol acting as acid. This alcohol acting as acid. This is acting as acid means the reacting species with alcohol should be base. Now the first reaction. Reaction with metals. Metals are generally basic in nature. So this sodium and hydrogen. Sodium is highly reactive in the reactivity series than the hydrogen. Simply this sodium is replacing hydrogen. So hydrogen gas is forming here. So all acidic hydrogens replaced by the active metals. Now you have to know that what are the acidic hydrogens. Acidic hydrogen means with more electronegative atom attached hydrogens. More electronegative atom attached hydrogen is called acidic hydrogen. Those are generally fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen, as well C triple bond H means that alkyne hydrogen also, because here it is sp hybridized. These all are even nitrogen attached hydrogen. These all hydrogens are called acidic hydrogen. These acidic hydrogens easily liberated as H plus by reacting with metals. See here, metals means highly reactive metals like sodium, potassium, aluminium, these metals displacing hydrogens. Same reaction here. Phenols, obviously phenol same functional group, so easily it is producing hydrogen gas. Compared to alcohols, phenols are more acidic. Phenol and alcohol acting as acid, acidic in nature. In fact, alcohols and phenols are Bronsted acids. Bronsted acids. Bronsted acid means which can donate H plus ions in the presence of base. See here, this base is taking hydrogen H plus ion from this alcohol. So this alcohol is called Bronsted acid. Here one more word is there, conjugate acid and conjugate base. We have to know that what are the conjugate acid and conjugate base. See here, alcohol and this alkoxide ion. This alkoxide ion, what are the difference in between these two? Alcohol and alkoxide ion. Only H plus variation is there. Whenever only H plus variation is present in between acid and base, those are called conjugate acid base pair. Whenever an acid base pair having only one H plus variation, that pair of acid base is called conjugate acid base pair. See, which is acid, which is base? Obviously which is donating H plus ion, that is acid, which is receiving H plus ion, that is conjugate base. Now acidity of alcohols. In the alcohols, how the acidic strength is changing. See here, left side figure you can see, it is a normal alcohol, alkoxide. After donating H plus ion, it is alkoxide. See, negative charge, even in the class 11th we studied that electromeric effect and inductomeric effect, as well mesomeric effect, these effects we learned. Inductive effect here, when negative charge is there, this negative charge is stable whenever electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing group means generally minus IE groups and minus M mesomeric effect groups. Whenever this mesomeric effect, minus mesomeric and minus inductive groups are there, negative charge is stable. See here, it is the negative charge. One alkyl group is donating this, obviously it is less stable. Lekin in the second case, in case of secondary alcohols, so that means here suppose 2 R groups are there, obviously less stable. If 3 R groups are there, then highly unstable. Highly unstable. Highly unstable means that highly unstable species cannot form. So in these 3 examples, which is ready to donate H plus ion? Obviously the primary is ready to donate H plus ion, because after donating H plus ion, it is forming stable alkoxide ion comparatively the secondary and tertiary. So primary alcohols are better H plus donors than secondary than tertiary. Is it clear? Next, alcohols, however, weaker acid than water. We are talking about those are acids, but in case of water and alcohol, obviously alcohols are less acidic than water. You can see here reaction, alkoxide ion and water. So this water is donating H plus ion to alkoxide ion, forming alcohol. That means obviously water is more acidic. And one more explanation here, you can see this is the water molecule. So in the water molecule, after donating H plus ion, it is forming HO minus. According to inductive effect, I will explain. This is HO minus. In case of alcohol, we are getting RO minus. Now which is the more stable? Obviously this one is the more stable. Why? Because here hydrogen is no effect, but here R is acting as plus inductive group. Plus inductive group means negative charge is unstable. So this unstable RO minus is not ready to form. Obviously HO minus is forming. This is also one of the explanation. Next, acidity of phenols. Acidity of phenols. See, in case of phenol and phenoxide ion, see this one, which is the more stable? Phenol and phenoxide ion. So see the resonance. This phenol, this oxygen donating electrons here, okay, like that resonance structures are there. Obviously here this OH, this oxygen getting positive charge here. See here, positive charge, positive charge. ठीक है, लेकिन in case of phenoxide ion, see phenoxide ion resonance structures are there, but here there is no positive charge in these resonance structures, even in this third and in the fourth also. Number of resonance structures are same, but in case of phenol, oxygen getting positive charge. In case of phenoxide ion, oxygen not getting any charge, that is in the neutral. So which is the more stable? Phenoxide ion is the stable. Phenoxide ion is the stable. So phenoxide ion is stable means obviously the phenol is ready to lose one H plus ion. Why? Because it is getting more stable. Compared to phenol, phenoxide ion is more stable. That is the reason phenol always ready to lose one H plus ion. This is the reason. If you compare with alcohol and phenols, obviously phenol is more acidic than alcohols. Next you can see one table here, orthonitrophenol, the first one, see left side, ortho position means nitrophenol is there. So here nitro group is electron withdrawing group. Whenever electron withdrawing groups are there, the acidic strength will be increases. Here acidic strength is shown by Ka. Ka is directly proportional to electron withdrawing groups. Of course NO2 group is there, means this phenol acidic strength will be increases. Why? It is taking electron density from the benzene, then obviously this pi bond is shifted towards benzene, so here H is ready to lose as H plus. So that is the reason whenever electron withdrawing groups are there in the benzene ring, the acidic strength will be increases. So see here, orthonitrophenol is this one and normal phenol is this one. See the value here, it is a 10, it is a 7.2. Don't confuse, this is the pKa value. pKa just is similar to pH. Similar to pH. If pH value less means more acidic, pH value higher means less. pH value low means stronger acidic, and pH value low means less acidic towards basic nature. Suppose water is there, pH value 7 is a neutral. HCl pH value 1, strong acidic, like that. Here pH is looks like the pKa. pKa value low means more acidic strength. pKa value is higher means the acidic strength is decreasing. If you see here for alcohols, more pKa value, that means less acidic strength. So this number, each number indicating 10 times. So phenol and alcohol case mein almost 6 times more, that means 10 to the power of 6 times stronger acid. Phenol is stronger acid, how many times? 10 power 6 times compared to ethyl alcohol. Is it clear? Now see here, whenever nitro group is there, ortho position is there, it's okay. Whenever meta position is there, in case of meta position, again the acidic strength is decreasing. So meta position means this position. So in the meta position, the NO2 group is acting as just only minus inductive group. Only minus inductive group. Here in the ortho position minus inductive as well minus mesomeric. But in case of meta position only minus inductive. In case of para position again minus inductive as well minus mesomeric. So in the meta position always only inductive effect. So the deactivating ability is decreases, so it is not deactivating the benzene properly, so acidic strength is decreasing. Next, paranitrophenol again acidic strength is increasing. Now you have to observe one thing here, paranitrophenol and orthonitrophenol, the difference. See, in case of orthonitro 7.2, in case of paranitro 7.1 is there. The reason actually almost equal, it should be equal. The ortho is little bit less because see here it's a hydrogen bond. Due to this hydrogen bond in between this nitro group, oxygen and OH hydrogen, So this hydrogen is not free. It cannot release as H plus, so this acidic strength is little bit less than paranitrophenol. Next, orthocresol methyl group. Whenever Ka is inversely proportional to plus inductive groups, here this methyl is acting as plus inductive group, so as well plus mesomeric group. Actually hyperconjugation is there. Hyperconjugation is almost equal to mesomeric. Next, here methyl is only plus in case of ortho hyperconjugation plus IE. In case of meta only plus inductive group is there. So slowly the compared to this ortho methyl and meta methyl, mein ortho methyl is stronger donor, that's why acidic strength is decreasing more, that's why 10.2. then meta methyl little less donating, so 10.1. para methyl and ortho methyl almost equal, because ortho position and para position में same, plus hyperconjugation always plus is there, then plus inductive group. Next, arrange the following compounds in increasing order of their acidic strength. You can see here propane 1-ol 2,4,6 trinitrophenol and 3-nitrophenol 3,4 dinitrophenol phenol 4-methyl phenol. First of all, alcohol is less, and here 3 nitro groups are there, highest. This is the highest, this is the lowest. Okay. Next, lowest, here only 3 nitro, that means the meta nitro here 3,5, something better. Phenol, nothing is there. Then methyl, so after alcohol it will come 4-methyl phenol, then phenol, then 3-nitrophenol, then 3,5 dinitrophenol, the last highest is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Okay, you can solve the questions. Next, esterification. This esterification reaction already you learned in the class 10th also. Alcohols and carboxylic acids. Alcohols and carboxylic acid reacting and forming ester, the byproduct is water. This reaction in the presence of acid. What is the use of this acid? Here it is removing the water molecule. First protonation takes place, then it is removing the water molecule, so the reaction carrying faster. So here two more reactions are there. This alcohol reaction with acetic anhydride or any acid anhydride or acid chloride or acid anhydride, also producing ester. Then the byproducts are carboxylic acid and HCl. So to neutralize this HCl, we are using here pyridine. This is the important. Pyridine is the basic in nature. This pyridine and HCl forming pyridinium chloride base. So this reaction is not forming equilibrium. So always the whatever forming HCl, that HCl is absorbed by the pyridine. So always the forward reaction carrying. That's why no equilibrium state here. In above two cases, equilibrium reaction is there. Next, one more reaction here. Salicylic acid. This is the important reaction. Salicylic acid. Here, acylation takes place. Acylation means this CH3 C double bond O group. CH3 C double bond O group. Now the question is where the acyl group will attack, on carboxylic acid or OH? Obviously, it will attack on the alcohol. The above three reactions, alcohol react with acid chloride, acid anhydride and carboxylic acid. So here this is the alcoholic group. This alcoholic group react with acidic anhydride and forming ester functional group. Then byproduct is carboxylic acid. This acylation of salicylic acid, the product is aspirin, acetyl salicylic acid. Acetyl salicylic acid, the common name is aspirin. This is the drug we are using. This is for fever, to reduce the body temperature. Okay, in the next class we can discuss reactions involving cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond in alcohols. Bye. The next class is chemical properties of alcohols, part 2.